A few months ago, I was completely convinced that the reason I wasn't making any money online was simple. I just didn't know enough skills yet. So, I did what almost every beginner does. I went on a massive learning spree. On Monday, I was watching tutorials on UI/UX design. By Wednesday, I was learning Python and web development. By Friday, I had downloaded a free course on copywriting, digital marketing, and video editing. My desktop was packed with folders. My bookmarks bar was overflowing with bookmarks, and my brain felt like a chaotic browser with 50 tabs open at the same time. I felt productive, I felt busy, but when I looked at my actual bank balance, still zero. That's when I realized the hard truth. Being busy learning is not the same thing as building leverage. Let me tell you about David. David is smart, hardworking, and genuinely ambitious. If you ask David about coding, he can explain basic HTML and CSS. If you ask him about graphic design, he knows how to use Photoshop. If you ask him about crypto, dropshipping, or SEO, he knows all the buzzwords. David has spent the last year studying every popular internet business model on YouTube. Whenever someone posts a new video saying, "This new side hustle will make you millions," David immediately pauses what he's doing, opens a new folder, and starts taking notes. He thinks he's building a massive skill set. But here's the brutal reality of David's situation. David is a level 2 beginner in 8 different things. And in the real world, nobody pays top dollar for a level 2 beginner. When a client or a business needs someone to edit a video, write sales copy, or build an app, they don't hire someone who knows 5% of everything. They hire the specialist who knows one thing so deeply that they solve the problem effortlessly. So why do so many of us fall into this exact trap? Because learning a new skill gives your brain cheap dopamine without any risk of rejection. When you watch a tutorial, your brain tricks you into feeling accomplished. You feel like you're moving forward. But the moment you have to actually apply that skill, pitch a client, put out a portfolio, publish a project, or test an offer, fear kicks in. What if nobody hires me? What if my design looks terrible? What if I fail? So instead of facing the uncomfortable reality of testing our work in public, we run right back to the comfort zone. Let me just learn one more skill first. Let me take one more course. It's procrastination disguised as education. If you're starting from scratch with 0 naira in your account, stop spreading yourself across 5 different paths. Pick one single high-income or digital skill that directly solves a painful problem for people. It could be video editing. It could be technical writing. It could be media management. And then apply the Rule of 100. Don't switch to a new hustle until you have created 100 practical projects or sent 100 targeted outreaches with that one skill. Depth creates leverage. Surface-level knowledge just creates exhaustion. When you get really good at one thing, people start looking for you. But when you're mediocre at everything, you will spend your entire day chasing people who don't care.